Hello friends, followers and channel members, welcome back to a little quick video for you. So obviously Storm Eowyn is hitting the UK at the moment with record-breaking winds recorded at 114 miles an hour. Obviously this means that flights across the UK are being cancelled today. But how many of you have decided this is a great opportunity to jump into the flight simulator, see if you could get an aircraft down safely? Well, that's exactly what I decided to do. We are in the EasyJet Airbus A319 today, coming into Glasgow. Now, Glasgow has also got really strong winds at the time that this has been recorded. We'll have a look at what's going on, talk you through the approach, various different things, and ultimately, hopefully, if you watch to the end, you'll realize why it's not safe to fly in these conditions, and probably best that all the flights have been cancelled. So enjoy my attempt at trying to get this aircraft down safely on the ground, and let me know in the comments below, have you as well jumped into the sim? What aircraft did you fly? Where did you attempt to land? And ultimately, how did it go? Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will leave you to watch my landing at Glasgow.